2 weeks ago, Rainz published a video on his main YouTube channel about the money giveaway, which was 300 kwacha to top 10 people for free. So if you missed the chance, don't worry, in the same video, Keith promised that he will do another money giveaway, and he kept promise. The amount to be won has been increased to 1000 kwacha from 300 kwacha, and instead of having 10 winners, this time, we shall have 20 winners. All you have to do is do the simple tasks below, which are following me on social media and others. My goal is to teach a lot of people on YouTube, and I can't do that alone. This is why you are helping me share links, follow me, etc., and I get to reward you for that. How will you know that you are among the 20 people? This time, I will do a live video on 31 of July, showing you the top 20 performing users, and pay them via mobile money, Airtel money only. Have a question? Contact me on WhatsApp. Some tasks below can only be done once, such as following me on Instagram. You cannot follow me twice. But some tasks such as clicking on the share button or referral, you can do that as many times as possible. So how do you get started? Well, you simply log in first to do tasks. All you need is an email and your name. Once you log in, you can start doing the tasks such as following me. Some tasks can only be done once, such as following me on Instagram. You cannot follow me twice. Some tasks like sharing or referring people to the website can be done as much as possible, and you will get more points.